Hey, good morning, LPJ. I just want you to know that you are not forgotten. I made this quick video just to let you know that we are for you. We are on your team, and we are going to do whatever we can to make sure that you are successful. So, have not forgotten about you. I actually miss you guys. I miss being in the classroom. I miss interacting with you guys and y'all listening to my dumb jokes and hearing me talk about history. So we're going to just do a brief review of what we learned so far, and then to start out this lesson, it's only going to be maybe a minute and a half. I put this meme that I found a few years back. So in the middle of the Civil War, someone was like, you know what this country needs? Steak sauce. 1862. Now, as you know, the Civil War didn't actually start in 1862. The Civil War started in 1861. South Carolina was the very first state to secede. Secede means to formally leave. So America had grown in its division over this one singular issue, and that issue was slavery. We talked about reform movements. These are all birthed out of the Second Great Awakening. Let's treat laborers better. Let's treat workers better. Same thing, but let's treat slaves better. Let's treat people better, women better, all together. Let's just be better people. Let's treat people better. And so a book was written. It was by Harriet Beecher Stowe, a woman. This is significant because women didn't get the right to vote until later in 1920, okay? So this is significant because this book actually was called Uncle Tom's Cabin, and it shined a light on what slavery looked like. The North, they felt like it was accurate. The South felt like it was over-dramatized. But this is one of the causes, one of the things that bled into the Civil War. If you think of the Civil War as a staircase, at the top step, you're going to see the first shots fired, Fort Sumter, you know what I mean? Like call to arms, war, like this is it. But it doesn't just happen. I say this all the time in my classroom. You don't just wake up one day and, you know, it sounds good today? World War III. No, it doesn't just happen. It bleeds up. It starts, it's a slow progression. If you think of a pot on the stove that is boiling, it slowly boils. And so this is the moment. These are the things that boiled up. So we talked about several causes. The states tried a series of compromises, but overall, the overarching issue would have been states' rights, sectionalism, and then really it came down to slavery and whether or not slavery was considered right. So these are the boiling points of the Civil War. So we're going for it. You are not forgotten. We are going to be talking about the Civil War as we go forward. I just made this quick video to say hello. I really do miss you guys. I miss being in the classroom, and we're gonna get through this. So LPJ students, I'm for you. Y'all stay safe, stay smart, and yeah, more to come. All right, guys, y'all take care.